Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we will be seeing one good question that is based on loops. So the question is how to find the sum of the digits of a number that is entered by a user. This is a very interesting question. Before proceeding ahead in this video, I would like to say that please go and watch my previous video that was of how to reverse a number. So based on that concept only, here we will be seeing how to find sum of the digits of a number that is entered by the user. For example, if the number entered by user is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is what we have to calculate. So if we find the sum of this, then sum is 10. If number is 4, 9, 6, 1, 5, 0, then 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5 plus 0. We have to calculate this. So this is 25. So we have to find this thing. Now how to solve this? As I explained in my previous video that we will be using while loop to solve this question. In order to solve this question, what we have to do is we have to extract each and every digit from the number. We have to extract 4, we have to extract 3, we have to extract 2 and we have to extract 1, and then we have to simply add all these numbers. So to extract 4 from this number, what I will do is I will take the operator modulus. Last digit equals to n modulus 10, assuming that n is the variable which is taking input of number from the user. So here the first statement would be n equals to sc dot next int. So this will take the input from the user. So LD will give us the very last element that is present in the variable n. So now we got last digit from the number. Now if we have to apply this same to take the last digit from the number, in order to extract 3 from this, we have to remove this 4 from the number. So in order to remove 4 from the number, I will take n equals to n divided by 10. This is the concept. Whenever a number 1, 2, 3, 4 or any number that is divided by 10, then this will get divided by 123. So 1, 2, 3, 0 minus. So this will give us 4. So whenever division is performed, we get the answer as quotient, and whenever this modulus function is performed, then we get answer of remainder. So this is given by modulus and this is given by division operator. So this will give us the last digit and this will give us the remaining digits before the last digits. So here n will give us the value of 1, 2 and 3. Now we need to take this 4 and store it in some variable. So what I will take is I will take sum equals to LD. This will now again go up. LD equals to n modulus 10. Now what is the value of n? Here the value of n is 123. Why 123? Because we performed division here and the value of quotient is again stored in n itself. So now the value of n becomes 123, and when we perform modulus operator over this number, then this will give us number as 3. Now going below, n equals to n modulus 10. n value is 123. When it is divided by 10, then we will be having 123 divided by 10. This will get divided by 12, subtraction by 120, and this will give us here 3. So now we see here that the quotient is 12. So now the value of n becomes 12 here, and this we need to add in the sum variable. So how to add this in sum variable? Because sum variable is already having the value of 4. If we write just this statement, then sum value will get replaced by 3. Earlier it was 4 and now it will get replaced by 3. We don't have to replace, we have to keep on adding. So what I will do is sum equals to LD plus sum. So earlier the value of sum was 4, here the value is 3. 3 and 4 will get added, and this addition will again go and be stored in sum variable. It will go above LD, last digit equals to n modulus 10. What is the value of n now? That is 12, that we got from this previous loop where n becomes 12. So now the value of LD becomes 2. Why 2? When 12 is divided by 10, then the modulus or the remainder that we get is 2. So value of LD becomes 2 here. It will go below n equals to n divided by 10. When 12 is divided by 10, what we will get? Simply the last digit gets removed and the digit before the last digit gets stored in this. So now the value of n becomes 1. This will go below. Sum LD has value 2 and sum has value of addition of 3 and 4. That was 7. So 2 will be added to 7 and now the new value of sum becomes 9. This will again go above LD equals to n modulus 10. Value of n is 1. When 1 is divided by 10, the number from which it will get divided is 0. So minus 0. This will give us 1. So 1 is the remainder, and therefore in the last loop this will get value of LD as 1. Below this n equals to n modulus 10. We already see here that the value that we get of quotient is this 0. So here n becomes 0. This will go down. LD value is 1. Sum value is 9. 1 will get added into 9 and the answer becomes 10, which will be again stored in sum variable. So sum variable will be having the value of sum of the digits. Now we don't need to go above. We just have to print this statement. So if we don't want to go above, then what should be the condition here? So for each and every time when we perform this kind of operations, then always when we reach the last digit and we perform this division, then the value of n always becomes 0. So as soon as the value becomes 0, this should stop the execution of loop. So what is the condition? As soon as the value of n becomes 0, I have to stop. Or I can say, I have to continue executing this loop until and unless value of n is greater than 0. So until n is greater than 0, this all should be executed. And remember, while always performing this kind of operations where addition we have to do, always remember to assign the value of sum always 0 before the execution of loop, just to avoid the garbage value which can get stored in sum. And what simply we will do, after this loop is executed, we will print the value of sum variable. So I hope the concept is clear to you. So we will try and execute this code in BlueJ. This is the statement through which we can import the scanner class. Scanner class object is created here. I am taking the input of number from user using this scanner class, and the number will be stored in n variable. Some variable I have created and declared as 0, and the same set of statements I have written here. If we try to execute this loop, this program, then it will ask us what number that you want to enter. So let's take number 1, 2, 3, 4 that we took in example itself. So if we try to execute this, then you can see that the sum of digits is 10. The second example that we took was 496150, whose addition should be equal to 25. Now let's take that number from user 496150, and you can see that the sum of digits is we got is 25. So this is correct, and this is executing as per our requirement. So this is how you can create the program to execute and run and find sum of digits of a number. Now the same case, I will be giving you an exercise that you have to find the number of digits present in a number. Here what we were doing is we were calculating the addition of the numbers. We were performing the addition of the digits of the number. But what I want you to do is calculate and find how many digits are present in a number. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for this number, the number of digits should be 6. In this case, the number of digits should be 4. Try to solve this. If you have any query, then please do comment in the comment box. I will try to solve your query. And if you want me to make video on that question as well, then also please comment in comment box. If I get many requests that this you are not able to solve, then I will definitely try to make a video on it and give you the solution. Now if you have any query related to loops, that how to use loops, where to use loops, and what are the constraints that we have to follow in order to execute a loop, what is the format or what is the syntax of loop, then I have created a video over it. Please do check out that video. That will be really helpful for you, and you will be able to understand the concepts of the loop. If you have any query related to any question that you want me to solve that you are unable to solve, then please do send your questions on my mail ID. I will try to solve your question and try to make a video on it. Thank you for watching.